Okay, guys, so I've never done an unboxing video this way, but I don't feel like being on camera, and I actually don't like myself on camera much at all, so I'm gonna try doing it this way. I do not have any type of professional setup. I have my iPhone leaning up against something, but I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of something that I picked up today from Chanel. I did get this at the Bloomingdale's Chanel. I was looking for a different pair of earrings, but when I got there, I realized that the pair I was looking for was actually gold. I only saw a picture of them and I thought they were silver, so I scratched that, but these were there, and these are awesome. Like, I had to have these. I actually like these better than the ones I was looking for. Here's the receipt. I just love the packaging. And this is how it was wrapped. I've bought earrings, several pairs of earrings from Bloomingdale's, and every time they get wrapped differently. So it just has the Chanel tape and tissue paper. Oh, they even gave me, this is really cool. They gave me the outer box with the style code and all of the information. So that's pretty cool. And another camellia. I just love the packaging. So these are from 2018 spring summer collection, and I like to keep these camellias. I used to have a pair of CC studs, like crystal studs, but I don't know what it was about them. I loved them, but I never wore them. For some reason, I didn't find myself reaching for them a lot. So I had to make sure I was filming there. So I ended up selling them just because they were collecting dust. And I've been wanting to replace them with another pair of CC stud earrings, but I wasn't sure what I wanted. And I've been looking at them like each season and seeing some online. Nothing stood out, but when I was in the store today, these were in there, and immediately I was like, that's it. Those are my CC studs. So I finally found the pair of studs that I will keep. Ooh, what is this? A little booklet, little care booklet. And with all the earrings, they have these the little felt that says Chanel. Oh, here's another tag. Oh, here's the tag. And the back with the price. And here they are. Now, my lighting is not great, so it's not going to do them justice. But these are crystal stud earrings, but they're not, they don't have like, the other ones that I had were like channel set with the stones like inside the channel. What I like about these is it's just all stones. There's no edge. And these are so sparkly. They were so sparkly in the light. My lighting isn't great, so the true beauty of these is not going to be shown, but they're a really good size. And can you see up close? They're just so sparkly. And I just love that they, like I said, they don't have that edge. Like the crystals go all around and over the edge. So I'll take one off here so you can see up close how they look. They're a good size too. There's the back. And of course they're silver. And you can see how the crystals are along the edge too. So I love that about these. And they're just so sparkly. So that's my quick unboxing. Thanks for watching, and until the next time, guys.